Oh, he likes it. Oh, Buster!
Don't put it all in your mouth. Nah. Hello?
Take it out. You might swallow it.
Tita?
Mommy, I can't see.
Alam mo kaya naiiyak yun siguro kasi mga anak niya.
Grabe,
Baka naman binati rin siya.
binati siya, kaya yun, yung kanina, yung sa roper. Si Julie yun, si Julie. Oh, here na, here.
Sulat?
Sorry!
Na-receive niya yung call?
Oh no!
Where is it? Allah, nilagay niya lahat sa bibig niya.
It's melted.
Oh my goodness! Get it out! Allah! Put it out! Allah! Give me! Out! Good boy! Oh, good boy! Oh.
Good boy. Just try it.
You're here na. Okay. Is it yummy? Wow! Is it yummy?
Na-receive niya yung call na yun?
Oo. Hindi lang niya siguro nakuha kagad.
Kaya manang
Mama, sabi niya. Yummy! Yeah? Oh my goodness. Hello? Oh. I get it? Hello? Hello? Daddy, look. Hello? Uh-oh.
Try all of them.
Where is it?
Hey! I said no whining. I said no whining. I said no whining. Tell mommy or daddy or auntie what. I'm going to put his name in check now.
He's like the Lord. Give me some cookies. He's like that.
You have it in your hand.
It's melted. That's why.
You don't like it. Give me him. Ayaw mahulog sa kamay mo. Where is it? He wants the big one. You want the big one? Oh! Oh, here.
Mo binibitin ka. Yeah. Oh, stop whining.